Assalamualaikum. My name is Umaima Danish and I am from grade 5. Today I'll tell you how to make a security circuit using Arduino Uno. Let me tell you about the components. An Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, breadboard, some jumper wires, data cable and a power bank that we will be using to test the Arduino. Now let's connect the wires. We will place this ultrasonic sensor here. We will connect voltage on 5 volts of Arduino. Ground with the ground. Fingerprint of ultrasonic sensor on Arduino Uno. Echo pin of ultrasonic sensor on Arduino Uno, pin 10. Ground to the negative of buzzer, Arduino to the positive of the buzzer. Now let's test the circuit. I have coded that when an object is less than 10 centimeter, the ultrasonic sensor will beep. That's on the power bank. It is a good security system. If you like the video, please subscribe and share American Live Stuff Robotics channel.